All right, traders. So Friday was a half day. Market closed at 1 and still managed to lose, I think, 900 points on the Dow. I think due to a COVID variant in South Africa. I mean, that's what they're alleging. You could maybe argue the market was looking for any reason to take some profits, right? But who knows? Doesn't really matter to me. I'm a day trader. Even in an ugly tape, a couple neat highlights. Let me go to 5 minute candles from Friday here. AHPI was on the gap playlist. Took off. These are 5 minute candles, then closed red, then put in an inside candle. I went ahead and called this long back over 8. Basically, kind of close to a 5 minute buy setup, plus second mouse through 8 with the earlier high above at 8:15. So it triggers at 8 and ends up going all the way to almost 10. It went to 982 without ever stopping out. Now, I would say, after it got to its highs, rolled over in the afternoon. But we're day traders, so that was a neat little way to start the day for me. I also called BFRI second mouse through 750 when it looked like this. It was also on the gap playlist. Thought if it got back through 750, it might rip through the high of day and squeeze, which was only a dime above 750. And there it actually broke 750, got the volatility halt, and then opened back above 8. So really, in a matter of a couple minutes, from the 750 entry, it went to 833. And then this same stock later in the day, Kevin M in chat called this back through 8, second mouse, right there. And you kind of had a nice cup and handle below it, and the 8 break, and then again within about 20 minutes, it's up there at 949. So there's just a few highlights from Friday. Again, I don't have much of a voice, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Here's what I'm watching. Remember, I'm a day trader, so these are things that might give me a trade on Monday. Oh, real quick, mRNA. I got to give Kevin P. He called a second mouse, and this was a pretty neat setup. I mean, you had the gap up, sell off, then ripped and put in this tight flag right below that 340. He called a second mouse through 340, knowing that earlier it hit 342.01, and that went up $10 at one point. So I forgot. I wanted to highlight that because I thought that was a neat little call and a nice little chart setup. All right. Anyway, ISPC is just a bizarre chart, but definitely I got to keep this short and sweet. Closed red, and it's weird, but it's had crazy range lately, so I'm going to keep it on the chart. BFRI, any shorts that took this home on Thursday when the market was closed, so this would have been Wednesday. We're in big trouble on Friday with the gap up. Closed well off its highs, but I still think shorts might be in trouble on that one, so I want to watch that one. APVO had this big rip last week, then an inside day and another inside day. So I'm going to keep it on watch. That was a big move. Let's see, this was Friday, so this was Wednesday, so this was on Tuesday, had a big move. And then kind of close to the middle of that range. I definitely, as a day trader, I want to keep that one on watch. I also want to keep LGVN on watch because it's just a crazy stock. If it gives an 8+ setup, I'll take a trade. GOEV had this nice pop to 1264 right here on November 17th. Came back down and is really kind of coiling right below those recent highs. So a very strong stock. Let's keep our eyes on that one. ARQQ, really strong. It's been running for a few days in a row, though, so keep that in mind. And it's extended from the moving averages. But at the same time, you can say, hey, this sucker was really, really strong on an ugly day. So I'm going to keep that on the chart. SOPE, nothing pretty about the chart. But anyway you slice it, it has fallen from 77.34 in a couple weeks down to under $11. So I'm going to put it back on bounce watch. TRT, very strong stock. Pulled back a little on very low volume on Friday in an ugly tape. So that one might just turn right back up on Monday. A couple more. SEV, very ugly chart since the IPO. But I'm going to put it on bounce watch like I've been watching the last few days. And then LITM is kind of similar to that, right? I'm going to put that on bounce watch as well. Just looking, these are not pretty charts, these last couple, but looking for kind of a relief bounce, if you will. And if I get an A+ setup, I'll take it. We'll watch for gappers in the pre-market as well. Tomorrow's Cyber Monday, so I'm just keeping the Black Friday special, which is be your last chance to get a lifetime membership. We pulled that for almost most of the year last year. Brought it out once and then brought it out for the Black Friday special. So this is your last chance for quite a while to become a lifer for the same price as 1 year. The lifetime option won't be available anymore for a long time. And a great deal on the course that we throw in the lifetime for free and the course at half price. That's the Black Friday / Cyber Monday. I'm keeping it up until Cyber Monday's over, and then those offers will be gone. And the base price for the course will be going up for 2022 as well. So that's less than a month away. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.